Founded in 1997, Chanlong Enterprise Company Limited specializes in manufacturing hundreds of products, including hand saws, carpentry saws, folding saws, garden saws, pruning saws, PVC pipe saws, bamboo saws, and so on. The company adheres to the corporate philosophy of to base everything on the faces and data, to gain a higher market share through quality excellence. With the continuous efforts of the chairman and all the employees, and driven by self-improvement and active research and innovation, Chanlong Enterprise has become the most well-established saw blade manufacturer in Taiwan. Due to the company's stringent processes and strict quality control, it has obtained many patents and the ISO 9001 certification, as well as the Class A Supplier Award from a world-leading manufacturer, STANLEY, all of which are proof that Chanlong is a competitive company trusted by its customers. Professional saw blade manufacturing technology with quality parallel to advanced countries in Europe, the USA, and Japan. The saw blades are manufactured in the plant through vertical production, from the import of raw materials, inspection, stamping, forming, grinding, rust treatment, high-frequency quenching, flash removal, CBN grinding wheel, printing, and packaging to shipping to guarantee quality. In addition, all the process equipment used have been designed and improved by the senior technical staff to ensure all the saw blades made are durable. In order to ensure product excellence, Chanlong has adopted the high carbon steel from Japan, which have a Rockwell hardness of 51 to 53 degrees. The sawtooth treated through high-frequency quenching has a Rockwell hardness of 63 degrees, which is 3 times more durable than regular saws. The hard chrome-plated blade can prevent rust, reduce friction, and produce smoothing results. After 10 years of development, Chanlong has inputted large R&D funds and manpower to manufacture a variety of saw blades in different materials and shapes. Our main products include hand saws, folding saws, pruning saws, garden saws, woodworking saws, PVC pipe saws. We can satisfy the customer's OEM needs, and we have been recognized by the global professional agents and users.